I had a lot of questions about how to combine two different bits of geometry inside of Simplify 3D, export them into other applications, and play with them. So here we go. So first thing you do is import whatever geometry you want. In this case, I'm bringing in a STL file of just the simple connector that I made, which I know fits with the lamp that I want to use with. So I import the model now, and that drops into Simplify 3D. Once I've imported the simple model and I drop it in, I need to rotate it to 90 degrees, and I want to make sure that the round part is facing down because I want that to be into the geometry. So I'll give it a rotate it negative 90 degrees, and that will straighten that out and it will be in the right position. So now I want to bring in my Jupiter STL, and I can tell by looking, this is the original Jupiter STL. The geometry is much smaller. So when it comes in, you can see how small it is. Right from the side, you can see how small it is. So the next step is to increase it, scale it up to about the right size. And I did this visually the first time. And then I used a little bit of math to go along with it. It's 222 millimeters, and then I sort of brought it out. If you have a bigger print bed, you could go bigger. This is the limitation of my print bed. So then basically I just pick up the connector STL, position it, visually get it lined up. You can play with visibility of both objects. You can work with the XYZ coordinate till you get each item exactly how you want it. Once I have that exactly how I want it, I'm going to make sure that it sort of compresses in because I want it to be really a part of it. I want to get a decent idea of what it should be when I slice it. That being done, we're going to export this out as an STL file. And I'm going to go ahead and make sure I put it in a special location on my hard drive because I don't want to save over something else. Now, once this is done, I go into Mesh Mixer and I import the file in. Make sure that I pick the correct one. It takes it a few seconds to come in because it's fairly big geometry. Remember, we went from like 124 millimeters to 222 millimeters, which is a massive update, a massive change. So this is a real time how long it took to import this mesh in. Finally, when it comes in, you can see, and if you watch the other video, this is where I suggest that you go ahead and kick off and go to take a look at the other video. But here you can see I'm rotating it on a plane, pulling a 90-degree cut, and then I can take that and move forward with the rest of the design. So that's it. That's the process that I didn't go into great detail in the other videos about the lampshades. So thank you for watching. I hope that you have a great day, and I'll see you on the next one.